y'all, it's Laura. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to do another DIY spooky craft video today, but this one's going to be fast. I do not have time right now. I'm busy, and so I needed like a fast one this time. So this one's going to only take like 5 or 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It's pushing it a little bit, okay? And before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys are new here and you're into all things spooky, crafting, gardening, all that good stuff. So let's go. Okay, so this is the project that we're going to be working on. This is a cauldron that I picked up from TJ Maxx Home Goods combo store. It is an essential oil diffuser, and it has a light in it also that makes it like change colors. And the quick and easy craft that we're going to do is just to add bubbles to it. It's going to look so whimsical and adorable. I'm super excited. If you're part of the spooky community, you may have seen this craft floating around. Basically, we're going to add like clear ornaments to the top and kind of spilling out to create the look of bubbles, of a bubbling cauldron. And then especially with the light on, it's going to look so cool, you guys. I'm super excited. And it's not going to take long at all. Literally all we need is the glue gun and the balls. And speaking of the balls, these are the ones that I got. Now, let me just tell you, this was kind of an ordeal, to be honest, because a million different like fillable ones came up. They all had that seam in the middle where you kind of have to put them together yourself. I hate that. And they were all really expensive. Like, I think they're on to us, guys. I think they know that we're doing this craft and that they can price gouge the crap out of us because the prices on these things are insane for most of them. And as you can see, they still have the seam on the middle. Now, they don't come apart like the other ones, but they still have that seam. So anyway, we're going to move forward with these ones. I'll put the link in the description for these. I was going to wait on this project and just wait for Dollar Tree to put out their Christmas stuff, because honestly, you could probably just do that. If you wait for Dollar Tree to put out their Christmas ornaments, you can get the $1 ones and use that for your project instead. So the first thing I'm going to do is just remove these little silver nubbins. We'll place the ornaments. I'll just, you know, kind of shift them around until they look like kind of camouflaged so you can't see that nubbin. And also, I'm going to try to camouflage this line as well. That's going to be a little bit trickier though. Okay, let's get crafting, y'all. I was going to just take this top piece off and make it easier because I don't want to accidentally glue these, like put an ornament and then not be able to remove this piece, because you have to be able to remove it to fill this with water. So, but I think I'm just going to leave it on. I think it's going to be easier to kind of maneuver them and figure out where they go if it's already on there. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Really easy project. I am setting it over here to see what color I want to put the bubbles on. This thing like cycles through colors, so I had to like stand there and wait for it to change until just the right color came on, and then I was like, pause. So that's what I'm doing here, but I was trying to decide between green or purple, of course. I think I like it as green. It just feels like the ooze of a cauldron should be green. I don't know. What do you guys think? I did end up having to go out and get more ornaments because there just were not enough. And I would say that honestly was the biggest ordeal. I had a little bit of trouble finding ornaments. I know that craft stores are kind of just starting to put out their Christmas, but I do wish that I could have found more of the smaller ones because I really would have liked to have added more of those smaller balls, and I probably will later in the season when they're more available. But right now I just found that they were super hard to find, and I'm not about to pay $1 million on Amazon because those prices are insane. So for now, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. You can just barely see the mist coming out of here. It's not picking up well on camera. It is misting, but I do think some of the mist is going into the balls. That's no problem. They'll defog in no time. I will include a little shot here in the dark so you can see how it's kind of looking in the dark. But overall, super easy project. Very happy with this craft. It truly is a 5-minute craft, I think, if you have everything that you need ready to go and all that good stuff. So thank you guys again for joining me for this very quick video. I do have a few more Halloween or spooky themed DIYs coming before Halloween comes. So I hope you guys will subscribe if you are new here. Stay tuned for that. And of course, more gardening videos on the way as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.